The courtroom was thick with tension as the trial unfolded. Derek James, a 29-year-old black man, sat calmly in the defendant's chair, his expression steady despite the storm raging around him. Across the room, Officer Brian Matthews was testifying under oath, weaving a story that painted Derek as aggressive and uncooperative during a late-night traffic stop. "I ordered him to step out of the vehicle," Matthews said with a tone of conviction. "He refused, yelled at me, and resisted arrest, causing me injury." The prosecution echoed the officer's claims, urging the jury to believe the seasoned policeman's account. The judge, a veteran with decades on the bench, listened intently but showed little emotion. Derek's defense, a young public defender with limited experience, seemed overwhelmed. The jury's skeptical glances at Derek made it clear the odds were stacked against him. But Derek knew he held a secret weapon, something that would shatter the officer's story and reveal the truth. When it was Derek's turn to speak, he rose calmly and addressed the court. "Your Honor, I would like to submit audio evidence recorded during the incident," he said. "It is time-stamped and verified." The courtroom murmured in surprise. Derek's phone was connected to the court system. The audio played, capturing the exact moment of the traffic stop, including every word exchanged between Derek and Officer Matthews. On the recording, Derek's voice was calm and respectful. "Officer, I'm cooperating. Please explain what you want me to do." In stark contrast, Officer Matthews' voice was raised, issuing orders aggressively. The audio revealed Matthews' repeated use of profanity and threats. Most notably, the recording captured the moment when Derek was asked to step out of the car. He complied immediately and peacefully. There was no shouting, no resisting. As the recording played, jurors leaned forward, their expressions shifting from doubt to disbelief. Officer Matthews' confident facade faltered. His attorney objected, but the judge overruled, deeming the evidence credible and highly relevant. In cross-examination, Matthews stumbled, unable to reconcile his testimony with the audio. I must have been mistaken," he admitted unconvincingly. The prosecution's case collapsed under the weight of the evidence. After deliberations, the jury returned a unanimous verdict: not guilty. Derek exhaled deeply, relief washing over him as the courtroom erupted in murmurs of surprise and approval. Outside, Derek spoke to the press. "I knew the truth was on my side," he said. "The audio shows what really happened. The truth, not a false story." Civil rights advocates hailed the case as a powerful example of how technology can protect citizens from wrongful accusations and police misconduct. "Time-stamped audio evidence is a game-changer," said attorney Lisa McCormick. "It holds law enforcement accountable and helps ensure justice." The police department announced an internal review of Officer Matthews' conduct. Derek's story sparked renewed calls for mandatory body cameras and audio recording devices on all traffic stops. Derek himself became an advocate, speaking at community centers about citizens' rights and the importance of documenting interactions with law enforcement. "I want people to know they have the power to defend themselves when they know the facts," he said. The case reminded everyone that while words spoken under oath carry weight, undeniable evidence can and should always tell the final story.